Hi everyone! Let's explore 7 practical ways to implement time practice sessions effectively. Want a powerful tool to solidify learning in your adult education classroom? Time practice sessions offer a focused and engaging way for students to reinforce new knowledge and skills. How to use time practice sessions to reinforce adult students' learning. Number 1. Target specific skills. Design each session to focus on one or two key concepts or abilities you've recently taught. This keeps the practice manageable. Number 2. Establish clear time limits. Before each activity, clearly state the time students have to complete it. Short, focused bursts often work best for adult learners. Number 3. Provide direct tasks. Ensure the practice activities are well-defined and directly linked to your learning objectives. Ambiguous tasks can waste valuable time. Number 4. Offer prompt feedback. Aim to give students quick feedback on their performance after the time session. This immediate information aids their learning. Number 5. Vary activity formats. Keep timed practice engaging with different methods like brief quizzes, short answer questions, or focused problem sets. Number 6. Stress progress over speed. Frame these sessions as chances to improve and build competence. Focus on individual growth, not just getting answers quickly. Number 7. Encourage self-assessment. After each timed practice, ask students to reflect on what they learned and what areas still challenge them. This promotes deeper understanding. Incorporate timed practice strategically into your teaching, and you will likely see enhanced retention and application of learning among your adult students. These focused sessions can be a valuable asset in solidifying their understanding.